Greetings, guys. Welcome to Framotech channel. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the coolest projects in cryptocurrency. Have you wondering if you can use cryptocurrency to invest into real world assets like real estate stocks and a whole lot of stuff? Yes, it is possible with this project, Parcl. And so today, I'm going to make a review on Parcl. I'll do some technical analysis on the coin and I'll also share my sentiment after the review of their tokenomics. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, as I said, Parcl is one of the crypto projects that allow users to trade or invest into real estate as well as investing into cryptocurrencies. Now, with this platform, you'll be able to long and short on real world assets like the real estate, stocks, also Bitcoin, crypto, everything out there you can trade on this platform. So, for example, when you go to real estate here, you'll be able to trade on these real estate companies like Austin, Pittsburgh, Brooklyn, Dubai countries, Chicago, Brooklyn, and the assets, of course, you'll be able to place long and short trade on this platform. And this is on chain, it is decentralized. You can do this on decentralized platform, which is very great for this platform. Aside that, you'll be able to trade tokens, you'll be able to trade perpetual or futures on tokens like Bitcoin, US dollar, Ethereum, US dollar, using this platform. So that is very cool for this. So if we explore, currently it has a total liquidity of 7.6 million. You can also add liquidity to this platform to get rewards. That's cool. Then you can also stake Parcl token. You can stake Parcl token and also earn rewards from here. There is a lot of there are a lot of contests that are live right now. May, June, you can join the real estate contest trading, real estate trading contest. Then we have crypto trading contest. These contests are live and you can join. For now, on real estate, we have 83 people and on crypto, we have 20 people. So now this is a great project and their solution is superb. Yeah. So now let's get to the tokenomics of Parcl. Let's get to the tokenomics of Parcl. Now, Parcl, as I said, ecosystem includes Parcl itself, Parcl Lab, and Parcl Limited develops and governs the Parcl protocol. That is a decentralized exchange that allows users to get long or short exposure to real world estate prices through a decentralized exchange, as I said. Now, the total supply is 1 billion, which is also the maximum supply, and currently have about 40% or 41% in circulation. And trading volume is increased today by 11%. The market cap, of course, is 34 million, still very low. $34 million is still very low. So I think we can pay attention to this coin right here. Now let's go to the all-time high and the all-time low. All-time high is around 90 cents and all-time low is 0.04, which was created, I think, last 2 months. So yeah. Now token unlocks. Today, it seems there will be an unlock today. There will be an unlock today. Let me go to vesting. Today, about 0.05% of total supply will be unlocked today, which is not anything big, about 450,000 tokens. And I don't think it's going to affect the market very much. So pay attention to this unlock. It's not going to affect the market. Maybe it will be distributed to some of the holders or some part of the distribution will go to maybe team or something. So that's the update we have on unlock. Now market. This coin is trading on major exchanges: Bybit, Coinbase, OKX, BitGet, Orca, Mexi. A whole lot of crypto exchanges are offering trading for this coin. It's like I'm not seeing Binance here, but these exchanges are good. They are top-notch exchanges where you can trade this coin. Community sentiment right now is still bullish. 90% are bullish because the coin is very low right now, very cheap right now. We will get to the technical aspect of this coin. All right, so let's go to their activeness on X platform so that if we can get to know some of the latest developments. So they keep posting. On today, June 7th, they shared a post, so it means they are very active. So they are still promoting what they offer. The typical housing market across the United States has 33% of listings with price cuts. So from the Parcl Labs, this is what they are saying. They are just posting about project. We have Parcl Labs, and I think Parcl Limited, all coming together to make this project big. Parcl Foundation. So attention, buybacks are underway. So on June 7th, they made an announcement on buybacks. So attention, Parcl or something, Parcl, buyback of this token or repackaged tokens are being held in the design wallet link below. As a reminder, there is no fixed schedule. The foundation will continue to execute the repackage of this coin to make sure the value will increase. So that's it. The teams keeps on posting. They are very active and development, which is a good sign for this project. Of course, let's go or dive deeper into this coin. I found something interesting here. I was tracking some whales on the grass foundation, and I got to realize that some of these whales also host Parcl. And let me show you. It's a grass. And because of this, I said, wow, grass is one of the successful projects out there. And if some of these whales over there are holding Parcl, then it means there is something they have seen that other people have not seen about this Parcl project. And therefore, right now we are aware of this Parcl project. And what do we do? All that we have to do is to also pay attention to this platform. So these are grass whales. They are holding 90 million grass worth 37 million. So I'm trying to go through their holdings, and I got to realize that this whale is now a whale of this Parcl, and it's holding like 642k of Parcl. Another whale of grass. Let's track the whales. Let me track this guy here. And as you can see, this guy is also holding Parcl token. It's also holding Parcl token. Let's go to this guy here holding 30 million. And he's also holding some Parcl tokens. So these grass whales are holding Parcl token for a reason, because they might be investors or they know the potential of this coin, and that is why they have bought that amount of Parcl tokens and they are holding that right now. So let's go to the chart, but before, let's go to the liquidation heat map to check where it is important for us to tap into this coin before we even dive into the technical analysis aspect of it. So this is the liquidation heat map for the past for 1 week chart. Now the price is around 0.08 and we have some kind of liquidation around 0.075 there, about $7K. Yeah, we have some kind of liquidation over here. And so let's get to the chart of Parcl. So this is Parcl. This is Parcl chart. And the price, as you can see, is very low. It's very low. It's very low. Last 2 months, April 17th, it created an all-time low and started pumping from here upward to 0.144. It also changed the trend from downtrend to some kind of uptrend, as if you check from here, support for the downtrend, and I think resistance was around this zone. It break out from this resistance and it was able to trade above and also change character. It was able to break and traded above this place, signaling that there is a likelihood for this coin to break this high and go higher up any moment from now or some few months ahead. So now, seeing this, what do we do as traders? We wait for Parcl to fill in some liquidities. So one of the levels that we can wait for Parcl is using this Fibonacci retracement tool. Of course, I still believe that there is going to be a retest of this bullish order block, a zone where it started pumping to the upside. It has to retest. But then for short time trading and also mid-term holding, I'll also show you another zone that I think this coin is going to trace. Now, using the Fibonacci retracement, that's the only indicator that I use here. Apart from that, I don't use any other indicator in my technical analysis. Let me draw the Fibonacci. The most important zone is these lines that I have drawn here. So mostly I wait for the coin to come back to the 70% zone or the 78% drop, and that is a cool discount. So right now it tried to bounce from this 70%, 70.06%, and still I think it has to come back to the 78% zone. Why? Because there is a gap that it is trying to fill, an imbalance that it is trying to fill. And this gap is a liquidity that currently it is trying to grab. And it is going to end right here. It's going to end right here. So I'll wait for this coin to come back to this zone. It's also a demand. It's also a support or demand zone. And it also coincides with the 78% Fibonacci level. So this will be my first level of bag in this coin, around 0.7, as the liquidation heat map showed us that there is a liquidity at 0.75. So I'll wait for it to clear that liquidity over here and pick some liquidity within this zone. So this is my first buy. Then the second buy is going to be the retest of this block here. Maybe around 0.05 is cool. for us to enter this market. Let me show you something. Let's say you want to DCA from this level to this level. That is 30%. So you have to be cautious about your risk. You have to make sure if you are DCA, you buy in small quantities so that at the end of the day, the impact is not going to be big. Right now, where do you take profit after filling your bags from this zone here? Of course, we are expecting the market to go back and break this point. So we can place our target around here, which is 165%. It can happen over months. Yes, it can also happen within some few days from here. And it's not bad to make that big profit. You can also expect it to fill this gap over here because there is some kind of liquidity here. And after that, you can also tap into this zone. So for long-term hold, though, I can give you this. I don't want to take you to all-time high or something. You can buy it from here and go and take it at 0.28, which is around 450%. That's very good. Even if you can be in this coin for a year to get 458, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. All right, so that is what I have on Prcl Parcl project. And make sure you continue to be with us. We are going to give you a lot of stuff. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification, smash up the likes button for this video to go viral, and also make sure you share this video to your friends. Thank you. Bye.